Hello, everybody. Welcome to Tuesday. The S&P 500 was down 0.4% today, kind of taking back yesterday's gains, actually. It was kind of interesting today because we had retail sales come out for last month. They were better than expected, pretty strong, actually. And so the market responded negatively to that, which seems kind of strange, unless you consider the fact that the market is really still concerned about the possibility of inflation and maybe even more concerned about how many rate cuts the Federal Reserve is going to do. So the Federal Reserve had, determined over a year period they're going to do 1 3/4 rate cut in their statement of economic projection that came out in September. And they, have done 3/4 so far. If they do one, tomorrow, that'll be 1%. But I think they're going to push back. And matter of fact, I wouldn't be surprised to see Chairman Powell be fairly aggressive about, not expecting as many rate cuts, at least saying it indirectly in some form or fashion. And so that, the market has already factored in that they won't have a rate cut in January. At least that's the bet, and that there will be one in March. And so they might be pushing back against that also, just to take their time, with these rate cuts, because they will have dropped 1% tomorrow if they do the expected quarter point cut. Now, the market is expecting things that are to happen a little bit faster. And so that's already baked into the price. And so when there's a change in that, you start to see the price kind of adjust to the downside. And 0.4% honestly isn't that big of a deal today either. Some of that could have just been, taking risk off the table before the announcement of the rate cut tomorrow, just in case they don't do a rate cut. We did see sort of a risk off day today with the Russell 2000 small cap index was down 1.2% today. So much higher drop in those. So it kind of tells you that there's a combination of things that are going on there. We'll see how that plays. But anyway, that was the outlook for today. Look forward to talking to you tomorrow after the announcement and the meeting with Chairman Powell, question and answer session and such. And I'll give you my opinions on, what he said and what to look for. So anyway, look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Thank you.